Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Investors can expect passive income in the form of dividend payments from companies listed on the stock exchange. First, Access Financial Services Limited has declared an ordinary dividend of 12 cents per share payable on December 6, 2024 to shareholders on record as at November 22, 2024. The ex-dividend date is November 22, 2024. Then, Proven Group Limited has declared a dividend of US 0.0017 cents per share. Ordinary shareholders who have requested payment in Jamaican dollars will receive the equivalent of 0.2697 cents per share. Up next, Grace Kennedy Limited has declared an interim dividend of 75 cents per share payable on December 16, 2024 to shareholders on record as at November 22, 2024. The ex-dividend date is November 22, 2024. Then, Massey Holdings Limited has advised at a meeting of its board of directors to be held on November 19, 2024, a final dividend payment will be considered. The family of Barita Investments founder Rita Humphreys-Lewin has withdrawn claims that Cornerstone, led by Paul Simpson, defrauded Mrs. Humphreys-Lewin out of her shares of Barita Investments. The legal team of the family placed in the newspapers a statement withdrawing the allegations and expressing regret for harm caused. It reads, "In light of the further information and documentation, and having consulted with and taken advice from attorneys at law, and in the interest of justice, the committee withdraws all allegations and imputations of misconduct and wrongdoing against the Cornerstone companies and their officers, Mr. Paul Simpson and Mr. Jason Chambers. We appreciate that certain complaints would have called into question their professional characters, integrity, and judgment, and may have included inflammatory statements about them, and that it may have raised concerns on the part of the relevant regulators." During trading for the period November 8, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Wind energy provider Wigton Energy Limited, with 5,083,690 units, represent 25.65% of the market volume in terms of sales. Online education platform EduFocal Limited, with 2,037,497 units, represented 10.28% of the market volume in terms of sales. International brand distributor Lasco Distributors Limited, with 1,950,558 units, represent 9.84% of the market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On November 8, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $61.65 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $66.35 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $159.20 and bought the US dollar for $158.02. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.18, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.81 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.16 and bought for $113.35. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $7.09, selling it for $206.56 and buying it for $199.47. For a credit report tip of the day, rebuilding your credit as you grow income streams gives you more financial resilience and more options, especially when relying on employment alone may feel uncertain. Consider these strategies to help rebuild credit and strengthen your income stability. Number 1, diversify your credit utilization. Spread out small, manageable balances across multiple credit accounts. This keeps utilization low and builds resilience into your score. Second, embrace debt as a tool, not a burden. Use low-interest lines of credit to invest in income-producing assets that cover the debt while building long-term wealth. 3, establish microcredit streams. Freelancing, side gigs, or renting out unused assets can provide extra funds to pay off debt and build credit faster. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.